Hello everyone, I welcome you all once again to my YouTube channel, Work with Excel. Today I'll quickly share some formulas in Excel which when used will give you relevant information about the data in given cell which you have selected. So you'll be amazed to see how useful these formulas are. So I'll request you all to stay tuned till the end and watch the complete video so that you don't miss on any of the information. And I assure you, you'll get a, quite a good learning, which would be very beneficial in future while dealing with the data in Excel file. So without wasting time, let's start. And once again, I would request, please watch full video. And if you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel so that you'll get useful content like this. So let's start. So now you can see on my screen, I have one table with the first name and some attributes or features mentioned on the column. So now this is nothing but the text which I have in this column, and I want features like its length. Then I'll explain what right, left, and mid formula is. So now whenever you want length of any text or how many characters are there in that text, then you can simply write the formula is equal to len, press the tab, select the text and enter. So this will give you number of characters in that cell. So here, for example, I have my cell selected as A2. So A2 is first name of the student, who is Tony, Tony. So there are 4 characters. So Excel has written the value as 4. Similarly, you can drag it down so that you will get the result for rest of the rows. Similarly, we have one more important function in Excel, which is write. So what write does is, if you write this formula RIGHT, write, select the text, and now let's say I want only 2 characters to be displayed, that is from the right of the name or given text. So I'll mention 2. So now, as you can guess, this formula will return the value as ny, which are the last 2 characters of the name Tony, Tony, right? So here it is. Similarly, you can drag the formula for others corresponding rows as well. Then we have similar formula left. So now instead of right, let's say I want 2 characters of the name starting from left side. So I'll write the formula left, left, insert the bracket, select the text, and then give how many number of characters you want from left side. So let's say I want to give 3. So I'll select 3 and I'll enter. Now you can see it has returned the value as TON. You can drag it down to get for corresponding rows. And the last function that we are discussing today is mid. So now what mid does is, if let's say you don't want characters from neither from right or neither nor from left, but want from some middle value, or so in this case, let's say I want name of the student starting from second character onwards, and I want Excel to give only 2 characters. That means I want result to be displayed with only O and N, which is my starting point is second value or second digit in this cell, and I want 2 characters starting from that particular letter or digit, let's say. So I'll write the formula as is equal to mid, open the bracket, select the cell. Now here you can see there are 2 factors to be inputted. So I'll select comma. Now starting number, as I mentioned, I want it to start from second character onwards. So I'll select 2, and I want second 2 characters to be returned from the second character. So 2 again. So now you can guess this will result the this will display the result as ON. Okay, and when I drag it down, you can see Let's see for this third one. The student name is Asta. So the second A, it started from here and went on to finding up to next two characters, including the starting point. So here we got the result as A and S. Okay. So this is how mid function works. Now you may find that it's not that used quite often, but then let me tell you, whenever you are dealing in a data, you definitely are going to require these functions or formulas, because data analysis definitely requires certain rules to be put on the Excel file, which helps to customize the data as per our wish. So hope you liked this video. If you found this content useful, please consider subscribing, liking and sharing this video. So thank you so much. Bye.